Okay, so before going to the analysis, but everybody you should have a clear understanding when the data is shown. When the data is, because we are going to decide the tools based on the type of data. So if the data is shown, you need to tell, sir, this is nominal, sir. Okay, you have to tell. So now let me show one small questionnaire. For example, age. I have given 3 category. Okay, so which means I will assign 1 to below 25, 2 to 25 to 30, 3 to this one. Okay, then I will enter this data. This data I will call it as ordinal data, because 1, 2, 3. 3 is more, 2 is middle, 1. It is a ordinal data. Now next is monthly income, below 20,000, 20,000, 40,000, 41,000. This is also ordinal data. Now next question, from where did you come to know about educational loan, whether from the bank or educational institution, local politician? For the question number 3, you are given this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. So you will assign 1 to bank, 2 to educational institution, 3 to local politician, 4 to friends, 5 to media, 6 to admission through admission agents. Now, 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 this is the nominal data, because we cannot say 1 is lower than 2. Just we are given options, we are assigning numbers. Okay, so for a different option. So it is a nominal data. It is a nominal data. Okay, so now one more. Now, reason for purchasing at organized retail store. Now, reasons, different reasons are given. Here we will give 1 to convenient, 2 to prestige, 3 to affordable. Even if you change, nothing will happen. You can give high quality one like that. So we cannot say high quality person. The reason is a better reason. No, that we will decide based on number of frequencies. No. Based on number assigned, we cannot tell this reason is this reason is having a order, higher order. No. So it is a nominal data. Nominal data. Now this one. How long have you been a customer for your retail store? 1 to 6 months, 6 to 10 months, 10 to 12 months, more than 1 year. Then what we will do? 1 to 8, 1 to 6 months, 2 to 6 to 10, 3 to 10 to 12, more than 1, we will give 4. Here it is a order. 1 to 6 months. See, we will feel the customers who are having more loyal to us. Higher 5 years, I am buying that from your shop. Hey, he is a very good man. 5 is a big number. With respect to number of years he is there as a customer. To 4 or 1, he is there in the company for customer for only limited years. Here. That is the meaning. So there is an order. Okay. So now, okay, if you assign numbers just like that without any reason for option, then it is a nominal. When 1, 2, 3 is more, 3 is more than 2, it is a ordinal. Then all 5-point scale, 7-point scale, 9-point scale, any scale which you have used, any scale, whether it is acceptance scale, liking scale, efficiency scale, or satisfaction scale, any scale if you use, that is the interval data. Now, if we have actual numbers, for example, share price, 20 rupees, okay, then GDP, actual figures, okay, then income, actual figures. Please understand, if it is an actual figure. Suppose if you have given if you have given If you are given income like this, options, then it is ordinal. Suppose if you are given income in the dash, then you will enter 10,000, 20,000 as it is. Then that is a ratio. So please understand, if you are given income like this options, which means you will enter only 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, 5, like that. Okay. But if you enter 10,000, 20,000, then that is a ratio. Then that is a ratio. So now probably everybody now we will not leave it. Okay, because in future also we will be deciding the tools based on the types of data. That time also I will show and I will ask people to identify what is the type of data. Okay, without identifying the type of data, you should not use any tool. So that understanding is the primary requirement for a researcher. Okay, so now, now this screen I should have told you earlier, because in a 5-point scale, some people used to fight with the researcher. Sir, 5-point scale is ordinal data, sir. They will tell like that. For such kind of people, I am showing a image that is taken from a rebooted book, Naresh Malhotra. He says, okay, the 5-point Likert scale, okay, some options are given. They have asked to rate in a 5-point scale, rated, entered. Now he says that this data are typically treated as interval. Let me read again. The type data are typically treated as interval. Thus, Likert scale possesses the characteristics of description, like nominal, order, and the distance. Description, order, and the distance. So it is a interval data. To conduct analysis, this one, then he will say further he can use mean. He will say we can use mean. So now you can show that the 5-point scale is treated as a interval data. If anybody asks, we can show this one. Now, okay, now let me read what is the ratio written. Ratio scale possesses all the characteristics of nominal, ordinal, interval scales. So it possesses, nominal means only description, order means description and order, interval means description, order, distance. So it possesses description, order, distance, and zero origin. So we can they say the distance, we can say the distance between 3 to 5 is same as distance between 9 to 11. It is an interval, because interval. So distance between 3 to 5 in a 11-point scale, something like that. Okay, distance between 3 to 5 and 9 to 11 is same, equal distance. But also the value of 9 is 3 times the value of 3. That is the ratio. So this earlier point is talking about interval, this point, but also the value of 9 is 3 times the value of 3. Thus, it is meaningful to compute the ratio between the scale values. Okay, so this is the scale. Now we have seen, okay, what is this, what are the different types of data. Now I will go to the, I will show the one simple data set.
Income example ஏதாவது சொல்லுவியா?
ஆமா,
அதை ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுவியா?
சரி.
சரி நான் சொல்றேன்.
Okay, now So now some people are asking me to repeat the income example, right? Suppose now see. Okay, so suppose when the income is given as a dash, otherwise give your income, you are given dash. Then what the people will do? They will say, write their income 10,000. How you will enter? You will enter as 10,000. Somebody they are given 25,000. You enter as 25,000. If you have entered 10,000, 25,000, 35,000, like this screen. Okay, now income. This is the ratio scale. This is the ratio scale. Now, instead, some people, they will say, what is your income? They will give option. First person, he has not given any option. Now, this person is giving an option. What is the option he is giving? First, 10,000 to 20,000. And then you are given a one box to make a tick. Then second option, 20,000 to 30,000. Third option, 30,000 to 40,000. Like that. Okay. Like this. Now, like this. The monthly income of the family. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options are given. 5 options are given. Then the box also given. Now, they will give a tick mark. Okay. So then, how you will enter this data? Okay. So what you will do is income. Then the value. Okay. What is given to below 20,000.